courses in various journals, both in national as well as international. I am having the 6 patents in my name. At the same time, I am an ambassador for this AICTE IIC Institute Innovation Council. So some of the examples are, this is my profile and I have received the certificate. Based on this, I had been an evaluator for Taikapa. It was happened 2 years before, where AICT was organized a program for the engineering students to prepare the toys. For that, I was the evaluator. So based on this, so your management principal and my very good friend Dr. Manjunath, HOD Mechanical, he has been invited me to give a speak on this particular program. So now we move on to the, as I told, quiz. Why this quiz is required? Let me understand at what level you people are aware about this particular concept. Like it can be the design or it can be the innovation. What do you know about this? Code will be asking, just type the code 1538 1538 4060. 1538 4060. You are supposed to enter your name. Please enter your actual name. If you are going to give the suggestions, but you give the actual name. Any of you are unable to join, probably your internet connection will be having less bandwidth. Please make use of your friends' hotspot. 79 students have joined. 84. Yes, sir. I will tell the rules of this quiz. You might have a question in your mind. How come we can able to judge the winner out of this 90, almost 90 students? Here the beauty is, if you are going to answer fast, you are going to get the maximum marks. Even though 90 students know the answer, the trick is we are going to answer the fast. For each question there will be 1,000